Allergic to peanuts? Gluten sensitive? Enjoy these peanut butter and chocolate cookies when peanuts and wheat flour are not an option. Each Wowbutter cookie is only 94 calories. Spoon Wowbutter into a 3/4 measuring cup. In a small mixing bowl, combine Wowbutter, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 extra large egg. Mix well. Pour 1/2 of a half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips into a small microwavable glass bowl and microwave in 30-second intervals until the chocolate chips begin to melt. Stir to melt all the chocolate chips. Spoon melted chocolate over your mixed cookie dough. Fold in gently in as few turns as possible so the melted chocolate marbles the dough in ribbons. Sprinkle in the rest of the unmelted chocolate chips. Fold in. On a parchment-lined 11 by 17-inch baking tray, drop spoonfuls of cookie dough using 2 teaspoons. Space the dough evenly in rows of 4 by 6. This recipe makes 24 cookies. I'm using a new cookie baking pan with a textured surface for even heating and improved baking results. I'll bake this batch at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes and see how they turn out. These cookies look perfect, nicely baked with golden edges. I'll take these cookies out and let them cool. Time to check how these cookies turned out. The bottom is nicely cooked and evenly golden without burning. Still warm and they don't crumble. Delicious and moist. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.